Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 1st August 2020 and before we start let's see the history of the day. So on this day means on 1st August in 1920 Mahatma Gandhi started the non-cooperation movement. People were appealed to cooperate with the government in protest against the unjust actions of the British government. It received widespread public support. After the Chora Chori scandal in 1922, this movement was withdrawn. Now let's see the current affairs questions. So the first question is, who inaugurated CII National Digital Conference on Ease of Doing Business for Atmanirbhar Bharat? आत्मनिर्भर भारत के लिए ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस पर CII राष्ट्रीय डिजिटल सम्मेलन का उद्घाटन किसने किया है? एंड द आंसर इज पीयूष गोयल. And it has been organized by Confederation of Indian Industry यानी कि CII with the Department for Promotion of Investment and Internal Trade to improve the business environment of India. Now moving towards second question. So under which country's presidency 6th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting held? किस देश की अध्यक्षता में छठी ब्रिक्स पर्यावरण मंत्रियों की बैठक आयोजित की गई है? एंड द आंसर इज Russia. Russia held this meeting along with the environment ministers of Brazil, Russia, China and South Africa over a virtual platform from New Delhi. Now the third question is, कैफे कॉफी डे एंटरप्राइजेस लिमिटेड के अंतरिम मुख्य परिचालन अधिकारी के रूप में किसे नियुक्त किया गया है? Who has been appointed as the interim chief operating officer of Cafe Coffee Day? And the answer is Nitin Bhagmane. And the Cafe Coffee Day is an Indian cafe chain and it is a subsidiary of Coffee Day Enterprises Limited. Coffee Day serves 1.6 billion cup of coffee annually in 6 countries. Next is Orange the World campaign recently seen in news is related to what? और द वाई इट हैज़ बीन स्टार्टेड. ऑरेंज द वर्ल्ड कैंपेन हाल ही में खबरों में देखा गया है, यह किससे संबंधित है? सो द आंसर इज टू एंड वायलेंस अगेंस्ट वुमेन्स इन द वर्ल्ड इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ स्टार्टिंग दिस कैंपेन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, रिसेंटली who has banned the import of color televisions from countries like China? हाल ही में किसने चीन जैसे देशों से रंगीन टेलीविजन के आयात पर प्रतिबंध लगा दिया है? एंड द आंसर इज सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज बैंड द इंपोर्ट. नाउ द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इज, हु रिलीज्ड ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स? मानव विकास सूचकांक किसने जारी किया है? इफ यू नो द आंसर्स प्लीज टू टेल इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. And the answer is UNDP, United Nations Development Program, and India attains 129th position in 2019. Now the last question is, New Murray Island is a disputed land between which two countries? नया मूर द्वीप किन दो देशों के बीच विवादित भूमि है? And the answer is India and Bangladesh. It has been a maritime disputed area between India and Bangladesh. So these are the questions of the current affair of today, means on 1st August. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday question which I have asked from you. So the first question was, as per a new study, 1 in 3 children worldwide are threatened by high level of which chemical element in their blood? So the answer is lead. Now the second question which I have asked was, Prime Minister Narendra Modi jointly inaugurated the new Supreme Court building of which nation on July 30, 2020? So the answer is Mauritius. Now let me give you the questions for today which you have to answer. So the first question is, where is Maguri Motapang wetland is located? If you have studied geography very goodly, then you should know it. And the second is, why is White Island recently seen in news? So if you know the answers, please do tell in the comment section. Otherwise, in the next video, I am going to tell the answers. Till then, thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates, and don't miss to hit the bell icon.